We're going to be looking at Chapter 2, which is looking at introductions. When we look at the benefits of trade, trade makes everyone better off because people have various differences that help them look at things. When we look at trade, it increases the productivity through specialization and the division of labor. Trade increases productivity through some comparative advantage mechanisms that we look at. When we look at trade, trade creates value. Trades move goods from people who value them less to people that value them more. So basically, the society that has too much of something to someone that needs more of something. Trade makes people with different preferences better off. With no trade, there's really no specialization. People with specialization are going to do something in the production of a single good. You'll notice that this is going to be critical to look at. People that specialize are people that do things well. The thing that they do well, they should ship out or export, and the things that they don't do well, they should bring in or import. You'll notice increased productivity when we can produce more through trade than by individual production, because people who specialize in this are going to have more knowledge about what they do in their field. Because they sell large quantities, people who specialize can take advantage of large-scale equipment that we see all the time. You know that with division of knowledge, specialization can happen because each person is going to specialize in the production of their own food, clothing, and so on. Each person has about the same amount of knowledge as everyone else, but the combined knowledge of society is not much more than that of a single person. With specialization, much more knowledge is used than it could exist in one single brain. So that specialization, that increase in knowledge, increases productivity, so specialization increases total output in what people do. Every increase in the world of trade is an opportunity to help with knowledge. One of the benefits of specialization is, so here's a self-check. Answer is increased production. Because now the things that people do well, they're going to want to do more of that, and they're going to actually export their services because they do that service well. Things that people don't do well, they're not going to export it, and they're going to actually import it because they need help with that because they lack productivity. These are some of the things that we're going to focus on in Chapter 2.